Hello, my dear friend, welcome to my channel. Get ready to watch a fun video. The guy found a cheaper way to level the land. It took him just over a couple of seconds to finish this job. The guy mastered his own work. Buckets is a game on the ground where everyone on the team needs to work together to win. How artists show off their cooking skills. This is a master builder. He can even build invisible houses. The only issue is that you can't go past them later. This pool looks like it has never been made tidy. This person used a strong water sprayer and a regular mop to get rid of the dirty water and cleaned the surface really well. Operates this big digging machine is really good at their job. They can even break through really tall walls without any problem. A painter can make an old railing look brand new by putting a special paint on it first. Do you think your barber is really good? Well, wait until you see how amazing Bush's barber is. Can you see how many bricks this worker put on his head? Please write the number of bricks in the comments. This lumberjack is very strong and skilled. He can make 60 trees fall by cutting down just one. A geologist uses a hammer and water to collect lava samples from a volcano, despite the extremely high temperature of the lava being 1090 degrees Celsius. This girl got tired of waiting for her boyfriend to fix the roof, so she decided to do it herself. She is very skilled and experienced. If you are tired of the tangled wires under your desk, you should contact this person. Look at this person who went above and beyond by making a wooden BMW car for his son. Wait a moment. Are you really capable of driving it? When someone with talent encounters laziness, he's just trying to save some time. Chill. Instead of using cobblestone, why go through the trouble when you can create cement tiles like this Egyptian master who has been doing it by hand for more than 5 decades, thus preserving a 2-century-old tradition? This is what it looks like when things are made in really big amounts. This girl found a different and useful way to move along the wall very easily and smoothly. There is a farmer who is really good at growing vegetables, and he can grow them really quickly. I want this person to come and fix the wall that holds the ground in place near my house. When someone throws a wrapper on your new concrete, you have to pay attention to the lights that tell you where to walk. I can't even imagine how hard it must be for a guy to impress a girl who can easily cut down really big pine trees using just one saw every day. Construction wisdom means that in construction, any piece of metal can be used as long as the scissors are sharp enough. This is what a level 100 loader does during their workday. They have to carry bags that weigh 50 kilos each. If you're tired of your neighbors, this person can quickly build a fence to separate you from them. This person only needs a chain to put together a pipe, and it is interesting to watch. Look at this really strange way someone is using a lawnmower. In Mexico, the people who take care of trees have a special way of doing their job. I hope the person trimming the palm trees gets a lot of money for their work. Now, I will teach you how to quickly put a lot of trays on top of each other in only 5 seconds. This hairdresser is being mean to a man who doesn't have much hair left. However, she actually knows how to make his hair grow back again.
This is Glee, a barbershop from GTA.
Here's a method to remove air bubbles from epoxy resin. This demonstrates that a talented artist can create a masterpiece without traditional tools or materials. Unique and impressive. The artist's skill in stop-motion animation is remarkable, as the final result appears to be live action. These individuals were extremely excited for the release of Godzilla vs. King Kong. So they decided to create a wooden sculpture in honor of the film. However, this young father adheres to a predetermined schedule to complete the task on time. He is confident that after 10 years of packing sauce, he will not spill any outside. A job that requires skillful and agile hands. The technician had to pre-cut the cylinders in order to create a hole in the wall more easily. The creator who made a flawless circular shape. Workers, not machines, were responsible for painting it. Using a water pipe allows for the efficient removal of leaves. Let's observe the process of bending the window bar. A true master can transform an ordinary, damaged glass bottle into something extraordinary. This worker has the skill to sharpen large drill bits that are required for huge drills. There are only 3 things in this world that can captivate your gaze indefinitely: a worker filling in the gaps between pavers, and well, that's about it. No matter where you are on Mount Everest, this courier service can deliver food to you if you get hungry. You probably didn't know that this type of wall covering is created by throwing regular pebbles onto newly poured concrete. A skilled artisan can achieve remarkable results using only wood and a machine tool. There's a special cup that's just right, but now he needs to make a bottle like it. This person is really good at using a big machine called an excavator, and they can even use it to go down a river like a paddle. Do you ever think about how they make sure the power lines don't get covered in snow and ice? If you found this video interesting, Please show us your support by liking and subscribing to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video. So don't forget to leave a comment. And of course, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Have an amazing day, take care and goodbye now till the next video.